Absolutely crazy. Look at this weather. Oh my goodness. This is absurd. Oh, power flash. We just had a power flash. We have a power flash. Oh my god. Oh, power flash. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, everything's calming down. Come here, Tiki Boy. It's okay. You can come here, Tiki Boy. Come in. Here. Wanna go down here, Tiki Boy? Don't mess with the fly. Let it crawl on my arm. Oh, look at this. There's a fly on my arm. This fly is not. It's okay, Sticky Boy. It's okay. Yeah, I'll let you crawl into this one. Oh, okay, he's gone. Alright. Guys? Guys, those are tornado sirens. We have tornado sirens going off in Bradley. We have tornado sirens off in Bradley. We have tornado sirens off in Bradley. Alright guys, I'm gonna go because it's starting to calm down, and I'll pick up the camera if it starts getting severe again.